Hi, Jeannie. How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Good. So tell me, how was the experience with the design consultant who came to your home?
I think it was good.
Great.
He was very courteous.
Okay.
Brought me some samples, which I could, make my choices, and so
Yay.
yeah, I think that
So was that an easy process for you when we brought the samples to you? And did he help you with color choices and things like that?
Yes, a little, yeah.
You kind of had an idea of what you had, and I see your
yeah.
floors turned out really, really nice.
Right.
And then how were the installers?
Oh, I think they were very good, actually.
Oh, great.
Yeah, they were real nice. Seemed to want to, take care of everything and please me, and we're just
Oh, good.
yeah.
Good. And then what was the best experience you had overall with Express Flooring?
I guess just having them come here so
Yeah.
I didn't have to run all over town.
More of a, yeah, it makes it a simpler process.
Right.
Well, thank you so much and enjoy your floors and your weekend.